Mabuhay. Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Philip. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, sir, may I know who's on the line and your room number, please?
I'm Mark from room 202.
Thank you, sir, for the selection of our breakfast. We have American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer?
I want to order American breakfast.
Alright, sir. For your American breakfast, we have the following: ham with sunny side up egg, bacon with sunny side up egg. Which one would you prefer?
Bacon with sunny side up egg.
Which one would you prefer to have in your bread, sir? Butter or mayonnaise?
Butter.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea. What would you prefer?
Mango.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea. What would you prefer?
Iced tea.
Alright, sir. Would you like to have brewed coffee, sir?
Sure.
Alright, sir. You want to have sugar or creamer, sir?
I want to have sugar and creamer.
That sounds great, sir. And you have already complete of American breakfast. Is there anything else?
Nothing else.
I repeat your order, sir. You have ordered bacon with sunny side up egg, bread with butter, mango fruit, iced tea, and brewed coffee with sugar and creamer. Did I take it all correctly, sir?
Yes, that's all. Correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for one person.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill, sir? Via cash, credit card, or charge in your room?
I'll settle it in cash.
Your bill is 350. May I know how much your cash for me to bring in your change?
I have 500 pesos.
Alright, sir. Your order will be served at room 202 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day. Good morning, chef. For room 202, 1 ham with sunny side up egg, 1 bread with butter, 1 mango fruit, 1 iced tea, 1 brewed coffee with sugar and creamer. Thank you, chef.
Room service. Mabuhay. Good morning, sir. I am Alfred, and here is your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you may come inside.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Where would you like me to set up your food, sir?
On the table, please.
Sir, may I use your laboratory to sanitize my hand?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I present your order? Here is your bacon with sunny side up egg. Your bread and butter, your mango, your iced tea, and your brew coffee. If you are ready to eat, sir, may I serve your food and coffee, sir?
Yes, please.
Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing else, thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, may I present your bill now?
Yes, please.
Nasa list ko pa. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Sir, here is your change. Sir, kindly sign the receipt. And here's your copy of receipt, sir. Do you have any other request, sir?
Not at the moment. Thank you, Alfred.
Thank you so much, sir. If you need any assistance, just dial 1 and please let us know what time would you like us to come back for the train. Thank you very much and enjoy your meal. Have a nice day.
Thank you.